Yeah, I mean, again, I would say just go back to what your process is. Like Brian mentioned, taking control of the conversation. You're going to go through a series of questions. You're going to make sure that you let them know that you are going to get to a quote. You're going to get to the process of taking the application, doing some field underwriting. But the only way that we can do those things is if we ask the questions that we have to ask in order to be able to give them accurate information. So sometimes the confusion for me, from my experience and coaching agents and reviewing calls, is more so that the client doesn't understand why you're asking some of the questions. So we're just going to try to reframe that. We're going to come in, we're going to ask, what are you trying to accomplish with this coverage? Uh, you know, who would be taking care of this if you were to pass today? Some things like that are very important before you even get into talking about money or health or anything. It's very important that we understand what they're trying to accomplish, because it's not a one size fits all. And I think once you get them in the mindset of you asking those questions, and again, you having control of the conversation, not in a dominating way, but just in a way where you are making sure you have all of the information that you need to give them proper guidance on where to go.